In this video, I'll show you how to unarchive a channel in Slack. So let's get started with the process. Once you're inside the Slack dashboard, go to the left side of your Slack dashboard. Here, click on the Directories tab. Once you click it, the Directories section will open on the right side of the screen. Now, select the Channels tab. Here, you'll be able to see all the channels available in your workspace. Next, click on the Channel Type filter. A list of options will appear. From here, select Archived. This will now show only the channels that have been archived. Now, if you want to unarchive a channel, simply click on the archived channel that you want to restore. Next, click on the three-dot More Options menu. From the menu, select Channel Details. This will open the Channel Details window. Now click on the Settings tab. From this Settings page, you'll find the option to Unarchive Channel. Click on it and the channel will become active again. And done. That's how you can unarchive channels in Slack. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.